Welcome to Knowledge Truth YouTube channel, where we explore ways to empower your personal and professional life. In today's fast-paced, ever-changing world, one thing has become abundantly clear. Lifelong learning is not just a choice, it's a necessity. Lifelong learning means continually seeking knowledge and skills throughout your life, whether for personal development or professional growth. It's about staying curious, open, and adaptable no matter your age or stage in life. So, why is lifelong learning so important? Let's start with the fact that the world is evolving rapidly. New technologies, industries, and ideas are emerging every day. In the workplace, skills that were relevant just a few years ago can quickly become outdated. By embracing lifelong learning, you ensure that you stay ahead of the curve. You remain competitive in the job market, expand your expertise, and open doors to new opportunities. In short, continuous learning keeps you adaptable in a world where change is the only constant. But lifelong learning is about more than just career success, it's about personal growth. When you make learning a lifelong habit, you become a more well-rounded individual, capable of understanding and navigating the complexities of the world around you. Whether it's learning a new language, picking up a musical instrument, or diving into a topic you're passionate about, lifelong learning enriches your life and gives you a sense of fulfillment. Now, let's take a look at some real-life examples of successful people who have embraced lifelong learning. Take Bill Gates, for instance. Even after becoming one of the most successful entrepreneurs in the world, Gates is known for his commitment to continuous learning. He reads about 50 books a year and spends time studying topics ranging from history to science. His curiosity and drive to learn new things have been key factors in his continued success. Similarly, Oprah Winfrey has always been an advocate for lifelong learning, constantly exploring new ideas and engaging in meaningful conversations that expand her knowledge. These individuals remind us that success isn't just about what you already know, it's about your willingness to keep learning. So, how can you incorporate lifelong learning into your daily life? The good news is that learning doesn't have to be time-consuming or formal. You don't need to go back to school or enroll in expensive courses to continue your education. In fact, some of the most effective ways to learn are simple and can be easily woven into your routine. Here are a few practical strategies. Read regularly. Reading is one of the most accessible and powerful ways to expand your knowledge. Whether it's books, articles, or blogs, make it a habit to read something new every day. Set aside 20 minutes to read before bed or during your morning commute, and you'll be surprised at how much you can learn over time. Take online courses. With platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy, there's no shortage of free or affordable courses available on just about any subject. You can learn new skills at your own pace, whether it's coding, graphic design, or leadership. Listen to podcasts or audiobooks. If you're short on time, podcasts and audiobooks are great ways to learn on the go. Whether you're commuting to work, exercising, or doing household chores, you can use that time to listen to topics that interest you. Engage with others. Lifelong learning doesn't have to be a solitary activity. Engage in discussions with people who have different perspectives or expertise. Join clubs, attend workshops, or participate in online forums where you can share ideas and learn from others. Set learning goals. Treat your learning journey like any other personal or professional goal. Whether it's learning a new skill by the end of the year or reading a certain number of books, setting goals will keep you motivated and on track. The beauty of lifelong learning is that it doesn't just benefit you, it benefits those around you. By continuously improving your knowledge and skills, you contribute to your workplace, community, and relationships in meaningful ways. When you learn, you inspire others to learn too. In conclusion, lifelong learning is an essential tool for personal growth and career success. It empowers you to adapt to new challenges, opens up new opportunities, and keeps your mind sharp and engaged. So, start today. Stay curious, explore new ideas, and make learning a lifelong habit. The journey of learning never truly ends, and that's what makes it so rewarding. Thank you for watching. If you found this video inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Truth YouTube channel. We'll continue bringing you content that empowers and enlightens you.